What's going on? You don't know what it is. You better act like it's your boy Bitness. And you already know what's popping, man. Like, we got another one. I feel like this one is gonna be a really cool little mod that we all should do for our challenges that I feel like I'm finna go ahead and do. I'm gonna go ahead and get it started. And that's create more airflow for my shakers. So if you don't know, if you got a 50th anniversary or you have any one of the challenges with the open ported headlamps, it's literally a way for air to travel through the light and go into your air box. Now, one thing they did was they capped off the hole of the headlamp to where no air actually go through, which is kind of goofy. I don't understand why they would do it. It's literally they have everything that you need as far as the openings already there to let the airflow from the headlamp to go into the air box. But the crazy part is it's capped off. Now, I know in other challenges they have this too, where, you know, I have the open hole where the air is supposed to flow through, or, you know, it's kind of a look thing rather than actual functional. I thought on mine was actually not a look thing. I thought Dodge made it functional, but they didn't, which is crazy to me. I don't understand why they wouldn't do that. So what we gonna do, we gonna go ahead and make that thing functional. If you look through though, let me show you. So let me take this thing off right here. Alright, so if you look through here, it's closed off. You see the cap in the back? That's stupid. Like, what the fuck? What was they thinking about? You know what I mean? Like, come on, man. If you're gonna make the light anyway, you're gonna have it set up for the whole move. Why you just don't go ahead and make it functional? You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't make sense, but we gonna go ahead and make it make sense. Like, look, they even got the hole available to get more air. So it's like, why would you not make it? I don't know, but we gonna change that. It's a mod online right now that gives you the little funnel that goes in between here and actually goes in here, but we gotta take that cap off. So that's what we gonna work on first. Get the cap taken off. I'm gonna go ahead and order it, and we gonna come back and see what that thing do, man. I'm gonna let y'all see the process on what it takes. Hopefully it don't be hard, and we gonna get it smoking like that, man. If you don't know what it is, you better act like it's your boy Bitness. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and we gonna get it shaking, you know what I mean? So y'all just stay tuned. We gonna go ahead and order that piece right now and do this cool little mod, you feel me? Yes sir, so let's get to it. These, they come off. Okay, take them off real quick. Sit them right here. See how these. Okay. Alright, so I see what we got going on here. So they got these little caps on the back. You're gonna probably move the air box and everything that you can get to it. Alright, it don't look like it's gonna be too crazy. Let me show y'all. You see that? So right here, you got the little cap right here. So we got to get that off. That's what we got to remove. Get that joint taken off. And then you see the hole here, right here. Let me see if I can get that, make that clear. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna allow some airflow to get through there. Brighten it up for y'all so y'all can see down in there. Yeah, so we gonna make it happen. To be continued. Man, what y'all doing, man? What y'all doing, Dodge? Alright. So now we gotta get into here. Let me turn the ISO up real quick. Hopefully it don't get too grainy. Okay, so we got to get up in here, get to this cap right here. It screws on both sides, so some type of way we got to reach through there and try to unscrew the cap. This is super stupid, but we got to do it. So that's the next thing. And then next thing will be just waiting for the little air duct to come in to put in place. All right. I got one screw out. Let's see, can y'all see it? Let me see. Try to get the camera to focus in on my hand. Okay, we got one of those joints out. This is super stupid. This is what they got into this head right here, into this headlight. The cap anyway, that's keeping it in. Alright. Oh, so we got one out. Okay, this damn cap is hard as hell to take loose. I'm telling you right now, if you got 2019 and up, or maybe a little bit lower, they put a star head on both sides of the cap where you can't take it loose, which is dumb as hell. I don't know why they did that, but that's what they did. But I got one side pretty decent. I'm gonna put a flathead screwdriver between. I'm gonna put a flathead screwdriver in there and see if I can pry it loose. Hopefully, you know what I mean, I don't tear nothing up, but that's what I'm finna go for, because this is some bullshit. Let's see. I mean, this is some BS. Like, why would they do this? Like, I don't understand the reasoning behind this. Like, what the hell, dude? This is super stupid. This sucks, dude. Yep, there we go. All right, so I was able to pry it out after that. So now we got it off. Whew, that shit was some work. That's stupid. Why you got this dumb cap on here, man? So that cap is off. Show you what I'm talking about. So now you should be able to see straight through. You see what I'm saying? That air gonna flow right through that bad boy. Make sure that engine compartment is staying cool. Give the air right into the air box. Cool off the motor. Drop them temperatures a little bit, you understand me? So that's what we was aiming for. Yes, sir. I'm wondering, should I do this side too? I don't know though, because I don't want stuff just flowing in. I think this side would be good, just because of where the air box is at and the way it's sending the air in a direction, you know what I mean? So the air go through here, right here, hit the air box, and whatever ain't going into the air box gonna go straight down into there, to this hole. So, you know, still keep the engine compartment nice and clean and all that type of good stuff. So, all right, now we just wait for that bad boy to come in. You know what I'm saying? It should be 2-3 days, and we'll get right back to it. To be continued. Alright, so a couple days done passed. Package done arrived. I'm gonna go ahead and crack this bad boy open right now and see what we can get shaking, man. This came from Mopar Parts Inc. Cool place to get this little forced induction joint. I'm gonna open it up right now, let y'all see what I got. You know what I'm saying? This is supposed to keep the engine bay a little cooler. It sounds like it's gonna rain on me. That's what it sounds like. I'm gonna have to bring the camera inside. It's super hot. We We damn near need some rain right now because it's cooking outside. Let me get this thing open real quick. So this is the Headlamp Duct, the duct kit. See right here, we got our little, you know what I'm saying, little layout. It's kind of cut and dry though. I think it's fairly simple. So this is what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? Gave me some little clips right here. Yeah, so we're gonna bring the camera over here, see how we're gonna lay this. Okay, so now I got it installed. As you see here, it's installed. We're gonna drill some holes here, 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 and here, and put the push pins through that. Make sure it's nice and sealed tight. You really can put it in like this and be cool, but I want to make sure it don't move at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it that way. So let's sit this down. Sit that right there. Go ahead and get that popping. Let me make sure it's nice and in focus. Boom. Make sure it's nice and pushed in. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Okay. Now, where those push pins at that was in my pocket, we gonna go ahead, slam these bad boys right here in, lock them up, and yeah, we should be straight. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay. Go ahead and slam this first one in. Okay, that one in there. That one in there. That one in there. Alright, look like we jiggy. Push them bad boys. Okay, that's locked down. Let's get this one right here together. Make sure that one locked down. Gaps. Okay, that one locked down. And this last one, that one locked down. Alright, we all the way in there. Okay. So, there you have it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we got the push pins in. Now we're gonna go ahead and install it in that thing. You hear me? Yes, sir. Alright, so that bad boy installed. You see it in there? Got the airway. Let me see, can you see in that bad boy? You know what I'm saying? Go right into that thing. So we gonna ahead get it popping. Yeah. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and put this thing in. Let me see here. Okay, let's go ahead and put the filter back in here. So we all wrapped up. I just got to put this bad boy, this little piece back on right here. But as you can see, let me turn on the light. Put this light on real quick. As you can see, that bad boy is gone, is in there. Got the duct in, good travel, good airflow, run straight to the filter. And yeah, man, everything tightened on. See if you can see through there. Let's see if I can shine some light through the tunnel. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So you can see the air. And I'm trying to shine some light in there so y'all can see where it's going. But yeah, that's how the cookie crumble, man. Nice little airflow. Run right through that bad boy. Straight into here. You know, so we all good, man. Everything is everything. Alright. But yeah, man, that about sums it up. Like I said, it's a dope little mod. It's called the Headlamp Duct kit. Directly from Dodge. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's fairly simple. Real simple little mod to put in. Not hard at all. Shit, it's super simple. Like super simple. The only thing you're gonna have probably trouble with, like I said before, is that cap. Because it's got screws going in on both sides, which is super dumb. I don't know why they do that. It's like they purposely made it extremely damn hard for you. Literally can't even get into the other side. You would damn near have to take the whole headlamp completely out in order to get to the other side to unscrew it. So all I did was unscrew one side and kind of just pried it, you know what I mean, open. And it came off. Let me go here. You know what I mean? So again, this is it right here. Pried that bad boy open and it kind of just popped out. So you might have to do the same thing, man. But that's all I got, man. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know what's smoking, man. Make sure you subscribe, man. I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers. I'm gonna do a giveaway of some sort once I reach that point. Yeah, so again, I want to do 10,000 followers. I want to sell my goal, like this is a small goal. I'm gonna sell 500 shirts. Like 500 ain't nothing. You know what I mean? I got thousands of people checking out me every day. You feel me? So if we can do 500 shirts, we can be able to do big giveaways and make sure I take care of everybody that's supporting me. You know what I mean? So that's how we gonna rock it. You don't know what it is, you better act like it's your boy BA. And we gonna sign out straight like that, man. 2Ks.